वेलकम टू वेल्स क्विक टिप्स एंड ट्रिक कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. मानता तुमी सगळीं बरी आसली सावध आनी भलायकेन. And after you seeing these ingredients, you might be thinking what I'm going to make today. And today I'm going to do, this is our sweet potato. So sweet potato brownies and with eggs. Now without egg, you can do it. But today I'm showing you of Goan Kongeo brownie, which is sweet potato brownie. So for that I have taken this round mix white, and these are from Goa Taligaon. So around 1 2 3 4.5 and 1.5 of, it's like quarter kg of kongyos. So 250 grams of sweet potato, and we have to remove the skin and mash it. Then what we need for our brownie is 2 eggs, and this is around 40 grams of dark chocolate, 40 grams of dark chocolate, and I will be using around 20 grams of butter. So this is together it will get melt. Then we need 1 teaspoon of baking powder and half teaspoon of baking soda. Then we need around half cup of cocoa powder. Okay, and I'll be using honey. If you don't want to add in this sugar, that's fine, sugarless you can do. But if you want little bit of sweetish, this is already sweet, and Goan sweet potatoes are sweeter side. So I'll be adding 4 tablespoons of honey, and if you want to add sugar, you add sugar. Jaggery also you can try to add, but this is what I am going to use. So first thing, we have to melt this double boiling together, and then we have to mash this. Keep your baking tray ready, and we have to bake this on 190 degrees for around 30 minutes. Preheat your ovens 10 minutes before baking on 190 degrees. So now we'll mash this. So either you can use mixer or masher. So this is again gluten-free and sugar-free. I'm not against like maida and all. I do use maida for and all, but yes, sometimes you should try with all this natural which is available now, seasonal. So this is nicely mashed. And this is our melted chocolate. So it's hot. So now what we have to do? Add all the ingredients now. So first is our egg. Cocoa powder. Half cup. Mix this nicely. Now we'll add our chocolate to this, and then we will add our baking powder and baking soda. Okay, so mix all this chocolate. Now when you are mixing this, and if you find that the batter is little bit thicker side, so either you can add a warm cup of milk, or you can add one more egg. Okay, if it is like you find it like little bit dry and thick, then you can add little bit of warm milk. Okay, not very hot. Now we'll add our baking powder. One teaspoon and half teaspoon of baking soda. So we'll mix this. And now we will transfer this in our baking tray, which I have greased nicely, and bake it for 30 minutes. Transfer all to this. Ready to go for baking, and let's tap this and we'll bake now. So here it is gone for baking, and I will show you after it is done. So don't forget to add whatever you want to add. Sugar, then add 3/4 cup of sugar. If you want to add jaggery, then half cup of jaggery. But honey, then it is 4 tablespoons, which I have used in this recipe. And here our brownie is ready. So आमचे कोणग्याची brownie ready आसा. So Goan sweet potato brownies are ready. Hope you all will enjoy this and try and make it. Thank you.